after some mechanical difficulties, we finally got the rotor off. The pins, I guess no one greased these up, so we might have to take these to the shop to do. But cleaned up the rust with the metal wire brush. These are directional, so we're about to put these on. So the backstory is that the GX 460 calipers were so rusted I couldn't get the pins out. These are the new ones, but we're gonna go ahead and first sand these down and then mask up, and then we'll go ahead and spray. We're gonna do that Lexus F Sport Blue. Here are the part numbers for the GX 460 2015 and up, mid 2015. Specifically casting number 14WB. Stay tuned. Alright, now that we have everything masked off, we should be able to go ahead and start spraying.
Oh,
What do you think of the brakes?
well, hold on, I didn't go yet. We'll see. Oh my god, I've driven this thing forever. I mean, from
Initial impressions?
yesterday, it felt great.
Well, I was driving.
Whoa! Dang, baby! These are amazing. These are great.
How's the brake feel?
That's great. Amazing.